10 plus 10 is equal to 20, plus 20 is equal to 40, plus 1 is equal to 41, plus 5 is equal to 46, plus 1 is equal to 47.
O, diba? Ang galing ng bata. Di na natin kailangan ng lapis at papel. Siya si Baby Rose, isa sa mga batang sumali sa Grade 1 and Early Learners na pinangungunahan ng I Volunteer for Filipino Children tuwing Monday hanggang Saturday 1:00 ng hapon. Let's watch more from her. Videong ito kasama ang kanyang Kuya RM upang magpalitan sila ng katanungan at kasagutan. Tara!
There are 11 green balls in a basket. Peter puts 15 orange balls and 21 purple balls into the basket. How many balls are there in the basket altogether?
I expand the tens and the ones. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, plus 20 is equal to 40, plus 1 is equal to 41, plus 5 is equal to 46, plus 1 is equal to 47. There are 47 balls in the basket altogether. A florist sells 26 orchids, 32 carnations, and 18 roses. How many flowers does she sell altogether?
I expand the tens and the ones. 20 plus 30 is equal to 50, plus 10 is equal to 60. Plus 8 is equal to 68, plus 2 is equal to 70, plus 6 is equal to 76. She sells 76 flowers altogether. There are 9 apples in a basket. Another 12 red apples and 16 green apples are put in the basket. How many apples are there altogether?
I expand the tens and the ones. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, plus 9 is equal to 29, plus 2 is equal to 31, plus 6 is equal to 37. There are 37 apples altogether. Jack sells 24 charity tickets. He sells 17 charity tickets, fewer than Mary. How many charity tickets do they sell altogether?
Jack sells 24 charity tickets. Mary sells 17 charity tickets, fewer than Jack. Mary sells 17 charity tickets, fewer than Jack.
Let us try to understand the problem. Who sells 17 fewer tickets? Is it Jack? Or is it Mary? Yes, Jack sells 17 fewer than Mary. Therefore, Mary has a greater number of tickets sold. Always remember the key words. These are important. Lesser, fewer. Kindly read the question.
24 charity tickets. He sells 17 charity tickets, fewer than Mary.
So, Mary got 24 plus 70 is equal to 41.
Now, let us review. Jack has 24 tickets, while Mary has 41 tickets. The next question is, how many tickets do they have sold together?
I expand the tens and the ones.
Now, we will expand 24 to separate the tens and ones. 24 becomes 2 tens and 4 ones. How about Mary, who has 41 tickets? We will separate the tens and ones into 4 tens and 1 ones. Now, let us compute for the total number of tickets. 20 plus 40 is equal to 60, plus 4 is equal to 64, plus 1 is equal to 65. The total charity tickets sold is 65.
They sell 65 charity tickets altogether.
That's correct. They sold 65 tickets altogether.
A shirt cost 41 pesos. A pair of pants cost 12 pesos, more than the shirt. How much do the shirt and the pair of pants cost altogether?
Shirt cost 41 pesos. Pants cost more than 12. Pants cost more than 12.
The pair of pants cost 12 pesos more than the shirt.
So, pants cost
Pair of pants cost 53
53
pesos.
I expand the tens and the ones.
40 plus 50 is 90. Plus 1 is 91. Plus 3 is equal to 94.
Equal to 92. Plus 2 is equal to the shirt and the pair of pants. The shirt and the pair 94 pesos altogether. Cost 94 pesos altogether. A magazine costs 5 pesos more than a book. The magazine costs 5 pesos more than a book. What is the cost of 3 such book pesos?
A magazine cost 9 pesos. A book cost 5 pesos. A book cost 5 pesos. A book cost 5 pesos.
The book costs 5 pesos less than the magazine. Other than repeated addition, you can multiply 3 times 4 is equal to 12.
So 9 pesos minus 5 pesos equal to 4 pesos.
That's correct.
A first book is 4
One book
pesos.
costs
A second
4
book is 4
pesos.
pesos. A
As
third
there
book
are
is
3
4
such
pesos.
books, we
So
have
4
4
plus 8
4
plus 4 is
plus
equal to
4
12.
is equal to 12
The
pesos.
cost of 3 such books is 12 pesos.
Jack has 26 balloons. Linda has 55 balloons. How many more balloons must Jack buy so that he will have the same number of balloons as Linda?
Jack has 26 balloons. Linda has 55 balloons. So 55 minus 26 is equal to 5 minus 6 cannot be, so borrow 10. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Yung 5 po magiging 4, so 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So my final answer is 29. Jack must buy 29 more balloons. When a number is subtracted from another, the answer is 12. From another, the bigger number is 12. What is the smaller number? The bigger number is 17. What is the smaller number?
12 is equal to 5. 17 smaller number is equal to 5.
Very good. Let me explain further.
When a number is subtracted from another, the answer is 12.
We are looking for the little number. Let x be the little number. Now, let's subtract 12 from 17. The little number is 5. And now, let us counter-check if your answer is correct. 17 minus 5 is equal to 12. So, the left side of the equation is equal to the right side of the equation. Therefore, your answer is correct.
Mr. Cook buys 17 tickets for a concert. He gives 5 tickets to his friends and uses the rest of tickets to take his family to the concert. How many people are there in Mr. Cook's family?
17 13 minus 5 is equal to 12. There are 12 people in Mr. Cook's family. Alice has 23 stamps. She gives her mother 15 stamps. How many stamps does she have in the end?
So 23 minus 15 is equal to 3 minus 5 cannot be. So borrow 10. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. Yung 2 po magiging 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So my final answer is 8. She has 8 stamps in the end.
13 more than a number is 38. What is the number?
Hahanapin po natin ang x, kaya gagamitin natin ngayon ay algebra. So, ganito po yun. X plus 13 is equal to 38. X is equal to 38 minus 13. E-expand naman pa natin sila. So, dito muna pati sa 38. Ang tens po niya ay 30. Ang ones po niya ay 8. Dito naman pa tayo sa 13. Ang tens po niya ay 10. At saka ang ones po niya ay 3. So, pag mamainasin po natin sila, 30 minus 10 is equal to 20. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Then, add naman po natin. 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. So, x is equal to 25. The number is 25.
There are 72 people at a party. 20 of them are children and the rest are adults. How many more adults than the children are there?
The total of people is 72, and the children is 20. So, para makuha ang total ng adult, ima-minus ang total of people sa children.
Upang makuha natin ang bilang ng mga adults, kailangan babawasan natin ang dami ng tao sa pamamagitan ng bilang ng mga bata. In other words, number of people minus the number of children is equal to the number of adults.
72 minus 20 is equal to 52 adults. So the question is, how many more adults than the children are there? So 52 adults minus 20 children is equal to 32. There are 32 more adults than the children.
Inaanyayahan ko ang mga mamshies na isali ang kanilang mga anak upang lalo silang maging mahusay sa mathematics habang sila ay musmos. Ito ay libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.